want you to just install these loosely. And that's what we'll do. We'll take this big bolt, slide it in here, and then this is going to connect in here, and get it going. So, let's see if we can fit this in here. Yep. And it's a big one. It says to leave it loose, we're going to leave it loose and we'll check it out later. Let's go ahead and install the second one. Listen loose like it asked. Alright, let's check out the next step. Alright, now we just go ahead and install them. So we're going to use a nut plate. Obviously, forgot that. This is going to go on the bottom of this tube right here. I'll show you close up with the next one, but just for now, set that on there. This is what's going to hold basically a giant washer. Alright, so once you get the nut plate lined up, just go ahead and tighten these up. Just tighten them up all the way. Tighten up all the way. It says to go ahead and just tighten up that bolt that we left loose. So we're going to get this big bolt over here. Come in here and we're going to tighten it up. Alright, nice and tight. Again, so to do this part, you're going to need the 2 screws and 2 washers, the nut plate, and your tool. Now, we're going to slide this in again, like before. And it's going to want to rest back on you. So what you're going to want to do is pull this up and put your arm behind it like this. That'll help it hold it up. Now you take your nut plate here, you slide it underneath these 2 bolts like this. And you just line it up and you hold it. You take your screw and you just get one going and then you get the next one going. It's pretty easy. Anybody can do it. If I can do it anyway, definitely do it. So we got the second one in. First one's a little bit tight. Means it's not that threaded on there, so we're just going to go ahead and tighten it up. And we'll tighten up the next one. And it's that easy, folks. All right, now again, we're going to grab this other bolt over here. Tighten that up. We're going to take this bolt that we left loose. This was really loose, so it's going to be a minute to tighten it up. All right, and while you're tightening up, you want to grab back here and kind of pull on it a little bit to make it a little tighter. It'll tighten up that gap, okay? Lastly, we're going to install this piece. You're just slide on the outside like so. And you got your 2 screws. There's already a nut plate built in, so you don't need to have a nut plate like we had before. Just kind of get them started and then tighten them up.